Brainy Educators. Ready to swap your lanyard for a walkie-talkie and become the boss of bell schedules? Today we're diving into how to become a school admin in California without losing your mind or your coffee. Let's rock this leadership journey. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a brainy hack again. You're in your classroom thinking, there's got to be more than chasing late homework and pencil thieves. You want to lead, inspire, and make a school-wide impact. Guess what? You're not alone. Have you ever thought about being a principal or admin? Type yes or maybe in the comments. Step 1. Get your credentials in order. To become an admin in California, you'll need a few golden tickets. Look at the checklist. 1. Valid teaching credential. 2. Bachelor's degree. 3. 5 years of experience, student chaos included. 4. Pass the CASE exam. Oh, and CASE? That stands for Content and Performance. Not crazy principles are coming eventually, but that too. 5. Apply for the Preliminary Admin Services credential. 6. Apply for a certificate of eligibility to seek employment. Step 2. Get that job. Time to update that resume, get your leadership portfolio ready, and start applying for assistant principal, or coordinator positions. Step 3. Clear your credential. Once you land that leadership gig, you'll start the Clear Administrative Credential Program while working. Think of it like a boss-level side quest. Don't worry, it's built into your job and usually takes 2 years. Leadership isn't about having the biggest office or the loudest whistle. It's about serving your school, inspiring growth, and leading with heart. If you're passionate, persistent, and maybe a little bit caffeinated, you're going to crush this. Thanks for watching How to Start Your Admin Journey in California. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more brainy education hacks. And hey, whether you're already prepping for CASE or just dreaming big, you've got this.